Hello everyone! Welcome back to Positivity Perp. Today we're diving into a topic that affects almost all of us, social media. But more importantly, how limiting our time on social media can actually lead to a more focused, motivated, and fulfilling life. If you're ready to make a change, keep watching. In our first segment, let's talk about the social media trap. Many of us fall into the routine of checking our phones first thing in the morning and continuously scrolling through feeds throughout the day. Studies show the average person spends about 2 hours and 24 minutes per day on social media. That's roughly 1 month per year. But what impact does this have on our mental health and productivity? Constant exposure to perfectly curated lives can lead to comparison, dissatisfaction, and a plummeting self-esteem. It's easy to forget that what we're seeing is just the highlight reel of someone's life. Now, let's shift gears and discuss the benefits of reducing your social media usage. By limiting your time on these platforms, you're not only reclaiming your time, but you're also reducing anxiety, improving your mood, and fostering a greater sense of present moment awareness.
When you spend less time on social media, you create space for activities that truly align with your personal goals and values. This could be learning a new skill, spending time with loved ones, or working on personal projects.
Part 3. Practical tips for reducing social media use.
So how can we practically reduce our social media usage? Here are some effective strategies.
Start by turning off non-essential notifications and setting specific social media free times during your day. Apps like Forest or Freedom can help track and manage your usage.
And why not try a digital detox? Choose a weekend where you go completely offline. It might be challenging at first, but the mental clarity you gain could be worth it.
Part 4. Long-term impact.
To wrap up, let's envision the long-term impact of reducing social media on our lives.
Imagine having more time to invest in what truly matters to you. Over time, these small changes could lead to significant personal growth and a more contented life.
These stories are just a glimpse of how powerful taking control of your screen time can be.
Thank you for joining me today. If you're inspired to take the challenge and limit your social media use, let us know in the comments below how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. See you next time.